Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is a small lecture about measurement of coupe QS. Ratio of volumetric pulmonary and systemic blood flows, which used in assessment of intracardial shunts. And for this calculation we need two pair parameters. It's cross-sectional areas which calculated from diameters and mean velocities or velocities integrals from right and left ventricles, outflow tracts. Mean velocity and velocity integral is a badly reproducible parameter because of tracing. In this video you can see that both measurement from both outflow tracts marked as from right ventricle. This is because of difficulties with interface of the scanner. In such cases, very helpful external calculators outside the scanner. For example, at my website. Coupe QS ratio is normally equals 1. Coupe QS ratio equals 2 or more can be a sign of pulmonary hypertension. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.